Welcome back again. In this video, I will show you the steps to design this animation. Before that, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon to get notifications when I upload new videos. First, draw a rounded corner rectangle. Adjust it to have more height and less width as shown in the video. Increase the corner radius as much as possible. Next, duplicate the rectangle and place it next to the previous one. Press the Ctrl and D buttons together to generate more shapes next to each other. Adjust the height of each rectangle to make them appear random. Ensure you press the Ctrl button while adjusting the height. Select all the rectangles and group them together. Then, align the group to the center of the canvas. Right-click and go to Format Shape. Remove the outlines. Select Picture or Texture Fill and choose an image you want to add to your slide. Change the background color. Now, insert a new text box and type a heading. Change the font color to white. Increase the font size to 40, and then increase the line spacing by 15 points. Make sure to bold the heading. Place the heading text as shown in the video. Finally, select all the text and go to the Animation tab. Apply the fade animation and set the duration to 2.25 seconds. The output will surprise you. Thanks for watching this video.